3D printing began in the 1980s with stereolithography. In 1995, fused deposition modeling was introduced. Selective laser sintering followed, enabling more material choices. By the early 2000s, 3D printing became more accessible to consumers. Bioprinting emerged, paving the way for medical applications. In 2010, major patents expired, leading to a boom in innovation. The rise of open-source projects democratized 3D printing technology. Today, 3D printing is used in aerospace, automotive, and healthcare. Sustainability efforts are being made with 3D printing materials. The future promises even more advancements in 3D printing technology.